The question is, can Arduino be multitasking? We will see today. Hello friends, welcome back to our Node Monitor channel. We will have a journey together starting from microcontroller to IoT to cloud. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Today we will see delay versus Millis command in the Arduino. So delay command makes Arduino sleep. It does nothing during that time. But by using Millis command values, we can take decisions. Let's see an example. Suppose I put my clothes in the washing machine and set a timer for 30 minutes. So do I wait in front of this washing machine till the task is completed? Obviously no, because I will be doing some other work during that time. So exactly Millis command is exactly the same. Let's understand the flow chart of this. This is the in the setup program we make pin 13 as output. Then we write high in pin number 13 and sleep for 2000 milliseconds. Then make it low, then again sleep for 2000 milliseconds. During that time Arduino will be doing nothing and it continuously moves in the loop. Okay, so this is the simple code for that. We make in the setup code we just make this LED built-in pin, that is pin number 13 as output, and I upload the code. Okay, you can see the effect. It is on for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. Okay, let's see this program by using delay command. Without using delay command. So this is the block diagram. You can see here we start and declare in the static code we declare LED pin as LED built-in, that means our pin number 13. Then LED state, another variable we have taken, that we have set to low, and previous Millis to keep the Millis values, that we have initialized to 0, and interval 2000, that means 2000 milliseconds. Okay, now we come to loop code. Inside loop code we assign current Millis variable to actual Millis values. Then we subtract previous Millis from current Millis. So then check, here we take a decision, is it greater than interval, that means is it greater than 2000. If it is no, then again Arduino goes and check if it till the condition is satisfied. If it is greater than the period, then we set this previous Millis to current Millis, then check the status of LED. If it is off, make it on. If it is not off, then make it off. Then again goes to the first code of the program. So this way we can see this. If we should understand this flowchart for clarity purpose. Okay, this is the code. You can get the code from the link already given in the description. Okay. We have defined this LED built-in pin as LED pin. Then LED state equal to low we have taken, and previous Millis, there is a variable unsigned long variable I have taken, initialized to 0. Then constant long integer interval we have taken to 2000. So if we want to make it 1 second on and 1 second off, then we have to set this interval value to 1000. In board setup we have made LED pin as output. Now we will come to loop code. Inside loop, so a variable current Millis is taken and Millis value is stored in current Millis. Then in current Millis we are comparing current Millis with previous Millis by making a subtraction. Is it greater than interval? That means is it greater or equal to 2000? If yes, then we assign the current Millis value to previous Millis value. That means now previous values was initially 0, now it will become 2000. Again when millis will be 4000, again this condition will be satisfied. Then we check the LED status. If LED status is equal to low, then we make that high. Else, that means it is in high state, then we make that to low. And we write that value using digital write. We write this LED state, that means either high or low, to the LED pin. That's the end of this program. We upload this code and we can see this behaves exactly same as it was using delay command. But in this case our Arduino is not sleeping. You see the effect. That's all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed. We will meet in the next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.